Hey, so if Notion AI is responding slowly, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to work quickly and it keeps taking too long to generate results. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this issue. First, check your internet speed because a slow connection can delay AI responses and make everything feel laggy. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Yeah, this can fix temporary performance issues. If your page has too much content, uh, it can slow things down, so try working on a cleaner or smaller page. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help. Yeah, since stored data sometimes affects performance, you should disable browser extensions, um, especially those that interact with scripts or block content. Another useful fix is to try a different browser or switch to the desktop app, which may run more smoothly. Logging out and logging back in, yeah, can refresh your session and improve performance. And sometimes the issue might be due to high server load. So waiting a bit and trying again later can help. So, yeah, that's how to fix Notion AI slow response issues. These steps should help you get faster and smoother results. Hey, so